Pesa me jambo.
Richard Opipi sorry.
Metimi dia to anim say enra na dwopanyini na bread na de wa na.
Ye.
Oye committed to the juma o. Me bomb pai say ebe ko ye dia ma no. I'm just hoping that anyone be ko ye dia ma papa. Oye committed to the job. Unim say Kotoko krata no omo de shemu say player recruitment and retention the juma. Recruitment and retention.
Yeah.
Yeah, ka say opinion thing at Stanley Menzo share videos. He's analyzing and evaluating technical reports. Yeah, last season coaches are going to use your report. Papa pay close attention to the details. Nanade or share videos of Kotoko. Kotoko team no and on the concentration. The man took time to watch videos yesterday. And the good thing is that he was guided. Who said, oh, Shadi, and Japan, oh, Bia, who was on questions. I am pa. Where why? Obo position, but okay, that's good. No, I don't see. Where it is asking questions and is being given answers as to individual players in the class and take on opinion as I